All right. Week 8, day 20, Intro to Computers. Took a look at spreadsheets, unit completion. Yeah, let's take a look. We talked quite a bit about the gaming industry, about how big it is, I don't think we actually got any numbers on that. We talked about the impact. At least the students were to think about it. They positive staying connected, skills. I talked a little bit about games that keep the mind working for older people. Negatives, lazy, health. We didn't talk about the violence. We didn't talk about that. So, something to think about. There's a lot of opinions on that. Maybe it's both, positive, negatives. No impact? No. It's having some impact, one direction or another. Valve, a company that owns Steam, and Steam is a way to game. So we looked at a local example. My son's starting a gaming company called Going Yumbo. First game is Grave Ball. It's you try to get a skull in a score in a goal, and it's goblins playing and everything. Unreal Engine is what he developed it in. Unreal Engine allows you to create for free, and then when you start selling, if you sell over a certain amount in a quarter, then they take a percent of that. So Graveball got greenlit in about a week. Then he got invited to PAX and so forth. So he's going to distribute it through Steam. And some interesting things about that. Them managing the game and selling it and so forth. Alright, we finished up multimedia. We talked a little more about hypertext. I talked about Google Mush, where you you search for a certain part or certain piece of information. You find some information on that, but you don't read the whole document. You just grab this part. Sometimes you don't get the right gist of the whole document. Talked about HTML, how we went to browsers. Now we use browsers in so many ways in our world. Talked about graphics, spreadsheets, creating charts, easier to see numbers, and we talked about images. How much images are used nowadays. People are taking pictures all the time. We're speaking to devices, and the music and audio that's produced nowadays by devices, it's really amazing. Same thing with video. Video is everywhere. You can take video anywheres, and it's so easy to distribute nowadays on things like YouTube. Alright. And that is it.